Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the wheel seal on a dry van 53-foot utility trailer. It's a 2016 model. After the drum removed, now we're gonna remove those half-inch bolts in order to take the cap off, and then we'll get access to the hub nut. Now we will unscrew those two Allen wrench screws that secures the locking ring. After removing the washer, now we're gonna remove this lug nut. Okay, after removing the nut, now we're gonna remove the bearing. Okay, I'm using this seal puller tool. You can buy this at Harbor Freight. Alright, seal removed. And so this is the older style, and now they come up with a newer style. I'm going to show you the difference. So this is a newer style seal, and part number. This is a part number, and so the difference is this has a wider lip. This has a shorter lip, but it has like a two rounds here, and so this one gets installed directly into the hub, and this one gets installed on the axle. That's the difference. Okay, I'm gonna apply a little bit of silicone here just to make it easier to install this ring in, and plus it's gonna seal it a little better, so not overkilling, just a little bit. And on the seal itself it says oil side, so that means this ones will be facing to the hub and this one will go to the brake shoes. Just wiping some extra silicone, and now okay, I don't have a tool installer, so I'm gonna use a brace. Now I'm gonna install the hub. Alright, so now we're gonna put the nut. Now we're gonna do 200 foot-pound torque. Okay, I set it 200. And I'll spin as I'm screwing. Okay, now I'm gonna back off. Oh, I guess I'm gonna try to spin it. Now I'm gonna back off. Okay, now I'm gonna do 100 pounds torque. 100. Try it again. Spin it. Now I'm gonna back off. Now I'm gonna do it again. 100. Okay, now I'm gonna back off. And now I'm gonna do the third time, 100. Okay, it's 100. Now I'm going to spin it again. Okay, now I'm going to back it off 1/8 of a turn. So what I did, as I was spinning, I did a 200-pound torque, then I back it off, then I did 3 times 100 as I was spinning the hub, and on the third time, what I'm going to do, so right now there is a 100 foot-pound torque here on this nut, and now I need to back it off. If you have the same size bearing on the front and on the back, you need to back it off about a 1/4 inch. And in my case, since I have a bigger on the back, smaller on the front, so I need to back it off 1/8 of a turn. So I'm gonna go up till this bolt from 3 to 2. Just like that. All right. To finishing, torquing this nut, we're gonna set the washer, and now we're gonna use those screws to secure the washer. We're gonna clean them. And I'm gonna use this red lock